So I'm here to correct a particular skincare mistake that I see most people make a whole lot. Like, I see this mistake and I wonder, I'm like, okay, so why have you been making this mistake? And why do you keep on complaining about your skincare products not working for you when you're making these particular mistakes? Yes, like imagine mistakes of using your serum before using your toner, or using your moisturizer before using your serum. Like, how? Seriously, like I've seen that some people don't even know how to even apply, how to layer their skincare products well on their skin. I'm here to correct that mistakes, okay? And I'm going to help you guys understand or get to know how to layer your skincare products step by step, and also the correct waiting time. Guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Yes, I'm so excited to be back here, guys. One thing I'm happy about is my consistency this year, which I am so happy about. Okay, so today's video is going to be about how to layer your skincare products the right way for a better result. I see these mistakes everywhere. Like, I've seen this mistake countless of times of how people are not layering their skincare products correctly, and even if they're layering it correctly, don't even wait for the right time before even applying the next skincare products. What they do is that after applying this one, they then put another one immediately, and that is so wrong. Another mistake I see people making is not even knowing the skincare products to use in the morning and the skincare products to use at night. Do you know that you're not meant to use the same products you use in the morning and night? Yes, there's some products you're not meant to be using in the morning. There's some products that you're not meant to be using at night. You're meant to be using them in the daytime. Imagine people wearing sunscreen at night. Like, honestly, why would you be using a sunscreen at night? Sun is not in the night. Like, you can't find sun at night. Or is it called moon screen? I see these mistakes and I'm like, why? So I'm here to correct that mistakes, okay? And I also see some people that don't even know what to even use at night. We're going to be starting with morning time skincare routine. So when it comes to morning time skincare routine, what you should understand is that in the morning there are two things you need to do. In the morning is just basically for protection and hydration. These are the two key things that should be achieved in the morning when it comes to skincare. The things are protection and hydration, protecting your skin from the harmful rays of the sun, and also using the right antioxidants, and also hydrating your skin, bringing back moisture into your skin. That is what the morning time routine should be focused mainly on: hydration and protection. Okay, now the first product that you should be using in the morning is a cleanser. Yes, so this is my cleanser here. This is one of the cleansers I use in the morning. So this is what you should be using in the morning. Use a cleanser, and get a cleanser that is suitable for your skin type. If you don't know the cleanser that is suitable for your skin type, I have made a video on cleansers for all skin types, okay? And I'm going to leave the link to that video on the description box, and also a video on how to know your skin type if you don't know your skin type. I'm also going to leave that video linked on the description box. Cleansers will help to get rid of impurities and dirt on your skin. So if you have dirt and impurities on your skin, cleansers will help to get rid of it. It's also going to help to also unclog your pores. If you have an oily skin and you're using the right cleanser, yes, it will help to unclog your pores. Yes, and yes, cleansers would also help to prep your skin for the rest, for the other skincare products, because you cannot be using your skincare products on a dirty skin. So you need to cleanse your skin. Okay, that's the first step in your skincare routine, and it is an important step in every skincare routine. Now the second step in your skincare routine, but this step is quite optional, is using a toner. Yes, a toner. The reason why I said toner is quite optional is for people who are on a budget. But if you can afford a toner, you should actually get a toner, because there are different types of toners. We have the hydrating toners, we have the brightening toners, and we also have the exfoliating toners. So guys, toners are also good, okay? But if you can actually use other products to substitute a toner, okay? But if you can afford the toner, get a toner, okay? There are very much affordable toners out there that you can get. I have actually made a video on toners, and I'm going to leave the link on that video as well on the description box. Now the next step after a toner is your serum. Okay, this is your serum. The next step is your serum. Now, what is a serum? A serum will help to target specific skincare concerns on your skin. So if you have a specific skincare issue, well, a serum will help to target it. Now in the daytime, the kind of serums that you should go for, you need to go for antioxidant serums, and vitamin C is a perfect choice for it. Okay, it's a perfect option. The vitamin C serum is perfect in the daytime. Yes, you can use a niacinamide serum in the daytime. That's fine. If you have an acne and if you have an acne prone skin, you can use acne and oily prone skin. You can actually use a niacinamide serum. But if you have normal skin, dry skin, and the rest, you can just go in with your vitamin C serum. Another optional step after your toner is your essence. Essence is quite optional. You don't necessarily have to use an essence, but if you want to use an essence, you use it after your toner. Okay, then after your toner, you can now, after your essence rather, you can now go in with your serum. Okay, now after your serum, you would want to go in with your eye cream. If you have an eye cream, well, that's fine. You can go in with your eye cream. Now eye creams will help to get rid of dark circles, puffy eyes, and the rest. Yes, it's going to help to bring back life into your eyes and help to get rid of puffiness, okay, in your eyes. Now after your eye cream, but eye creams are quite optional. You don't necessarily need to use an eye cream, they are optional. But if you have the money to spend, well, you can actually get an eye cream. Now after an eye cream, the next option is your moisturizer. My moisturizer has finished. So the next option is your moisturizer. Now a moisturizer is a step in every skincare routine that should not be skipped. You can skip your toner, you can skip your essence, you can skip your eye cream, you can skip your serum, but you see, a moisturizer, it should not be skipped in your skincare routine. Okay, and guys, after your moisturizer comes your sunscreen. This part is a part that is very important. You should never skip your sunscreen in the daytime. Okay, you should never ever skip a sunscreen in the daytime, even if you're going to be indoors. People are like, oh, if I'm indoors, I don't think I need a sunscreen. Well, you are wrong, because you need a sunscreen even if you're indoors. As far as it's daytime, you need a sunscreen. Even if it is winter, even if it is raining, even if it is cloudy, as far as it is the daytime, you need your sunscreen. Okay, now get a very good sunscreen that is good for your skin type. And if you don't know a sunscreen to get, I have actually made a video on sunscreens, and I'm going to leave the link also on the description box for you guys. Now guys, can you see this? Now for the morning time skincare routine, remember, is you cleanse. After cleansing, you go with your toner, which is optional. After your toner, then your essence, which is also quite optional. After your essence, then your serum, which is important. After your serum, then you then go in with your eye cream, which is also optional. Now after your eye cream, you then go in with your moisturizer. After your moisturizer, you then go in with your sunscreen. If you watch this video till the end, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the correct or the appropriate waiting time for each skincare product. Okay, now for nights, okay, I know nighttime is the time that you should focus more on repair and restoration. Yes, anything you want to do, whether you want to get rid of, maybe you're trying to get rid of your acne, or you're trying to bring back hydration. Maybe you have a dry skin and you want to and you're trying to focus on hydrating your skin, or maybe you have dark spots, acne, hyperpigmentation, melasma, sunburn, and you're trying to treat all these your skin concerns. The best time to do that is at night. That is when your skincare actives should come in. Now nighttime focuses more on restoration and repairing your skin. Okay, now the first step in your nighttime skincare routine is cleansing. Okay, and it's advised that you should go in with, you should try the double cleansing method. Yes, you should go in for double cleansing. That double cleansing is, you have to go in with a cleansing oil first. And after you use your cleansing oil, you can now go in with your regular foaming cleanser or gel cleanser. This step is actually quite, if you have the time and you have the money to spend, getting a cleansing oil and a separate cleansing foam or cleansing gel, that is fine. But if you can't, just stick with your normal cleanser. Okay, but the reason why is because using a cleansing oil will help to, especially when you use your sunscreen in the daytime and when you also use makeup in the daytime, this cleansing oil will help to completely get rid of that sunscreen and that makeup on your skin. Okay, then this would help to now wash everything up and give you complete clean skin. Yes, so it's going to give you that complete clean skin when you use the two then you double cleanse. Yes, but if you cannot double cleanse, or you cannot afford getting a double cleanser, then just use your cleanser and you're fine. Okay, but make sure that you cleanse your skin, and make sure that every single sunscreen and makeup is completely and totally off your skin. Okay, after cleansing, you now go in with your toner. Toners are quite optional, but this is when your treatment toner will come in. If you want to exfoliate, maybe you're trying to exfoliate your skin, and maybe you have an oily skin and you want to exfoliate your skin, then you can go in with your exfoliating toner. Or if you have a dry skin and you're trying to bring back moisture into your skin, then you can go in with your hydrating toner. Okay, or if you want to just brighten out your skin, like you want to brighten out your skin, you can go in with your brightening toner. And this is the night in which I use my niacinamide toner, because I have a niacinamide toner, but this is when I use my, I don't like using my niacinamide toner in the daytime. Well, you can use it in the daytime, but I just like using mine at night, okay, for that perfect result. But you can actually use your niacinamide toner in the daytime. So this is just how to use your toner at night. Okay, then for after your toner, then comes your essence. But essences are quite optional. Like I said previously, they are as optional as a toner. Okay, but if you want, especially if you have a dry skin and you want that extra hydration, then you can now go in with an essence. And now after an essence, the next step should be your serum, and this is when your treatment serum should come in. Either you're trying to get rid of your acne, or your dark spots, or your hyperpigmentation, or whatever skincare issue you're trying to target. This is the perfect time you should actually do it. This is when your serum should come in. Your treatment serum is either I use my treatment serum at this point, or I use my exfoliating serum at this point. Well, they are all treatment serums. Now this is the serum I currently use to treat my skin. This is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. Now this is one I use. Now this serum is perfect for discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and the rest, dark spots. It is good. It will help to target it. I'm not saying you should get it though, but if you can, well, that's fine. I have already made videos on serums already, and I'm going to leave the link of that video down the description box for you guys to know the kind of serums to get for specific skin concerns. Okay, so if you want to exfoliate your skin, you can now get your maybe your lactic acid serum, or maybe your glycolic acid serum, or your salicylic acid serum. If you want to get rid of your hyperpigmentation, dark spots, you can now go in with your arbutin serum. Okay, it all depends on your skin concern and what you're trying to target. Okay, if you're not going in with a serum as your treatment product, you can now go in with any form of treatment product you want to go in with. Okay, you can go in either you want to use a retinol, maybe you're going in with retinol in your skincare routine, or maybe you want to go in with tretinoin, or any form of any form of actives. This is when to use it after your essence, after your toner. Then you now use your actives. This is when to use your that active product, that active skincare product you want to use in your skin. This is the perfect time to use it in your skin. That is after your essence. Then you now go in with your with the treatment you want to use for it. Either it's a serum, or it is a tube, or it is a tube cream, or maybe a cream that targets specific skin issues. Then this is the time to use it in your skin. Okay, now after your treatment, you can now go in with your moisturizer. Okay, this is when your moisturizer should come in. This is my moisturizer. This is when your moisturizer should come in. Now it will help to lock in that moisture into your skin. In fact, completely and totally lock in that moisture into your skin. Okay, and guys, now before your moisturizer, I forgot to say your eye cream. But eye creams, like I said before, are quite optional. But if you want to get rid of puffy eye, darks under eye circles, guys, you can actually make use of your eye cream. Okay, now like I said, after your eye cream, then comes in your moisturizer. Okay, and yeah, moisturizer will help to lock in the moisture into your skin and give you that glowing skin, okay, overnight. Now that is it. But if you are looking to hydrate your skin the more, and you just want that extra hydration, especially for people who have dry skin, that is when your face oil should come in. Yes, your face oil. should come in. But face oils are quite optional. They are very, very much. I don't even use the face oil. I don't think I've ever used the face oil, so they are very, very optional. Okay, one thing you should never do at night is to use a sunscreen at night. Like, how will you be using a sunscreen at night? Why would you be using a sunscreen at night? Please, if you've been doing that, stop it though. Only if you have enough money to spend, because sunscreens that I know, they are not cheap skincare products. Like, good sunscreens, or not all those other sunscreens. Good sunscreens are not cheap. So if you know that you in fact, don't even use a sunscreen at night. Like, why are you using a sunscreen at night? Don't do that. Okay, now my final skincare tip, which is the perfect waiting time. Okay, now the perfect waiting time for in between each skincare products is 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, 30 to 60 seconds. That is what you should do. After using your toner, you wait 30 seconds, then now use, or 30 seconds, 60 seconds, depending on how thick or hydrating your toner is. Allow it to sink into your skin for a while. Okay, then now go in, allow it to sink into your skin and let it, I'm not saying it should dry, but allow it to feel a little bit, like be able to touch your skin and feel like, okay, this feels like it has really entered my skin. Okay, give it 30 to 60 seconds, then now go in with your serum. After your serum, do the same thing, 30 to 60 seconds, then now go in with your moisturizer. After your moisturizer, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then now go in with your sunscreen. Now the last skincare hack is, if you feel like you're still a little bit confused on what to go in, what should go in first in your routine, one thing I will tell you is that the product that should go in first should be the thinnest product, which is the lightest product. Then after the lightest product, now comes in the heaviest product. It is just like from the thinnest to the thickest. Okay, you know, water is thinner than a cream, so that's how you would know, okay, which one to use first. Now guys, this is all for this video. Let me know under the comment section your thoughts, and also if there's any other video you'd like me to make for you, let me also know that on the comment section. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So till then, bye.